Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where we bring you the wildest, most luxurious machines on the road. And today's feature is nothing short of legendary. What if I told you the classic Kenworth W900, one of the most iconic big rigs ever made, has been transformed into a jaw-dropping luxury motorhome? Not just any RV, but a $500,000 rolling palace, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen. From the outside, it keeps that unmistakable W900 look. Long nose, chrome grille, dual stacks, and that aggressive road presence that truckers dream about. But once you step inside, everything changes. You're no longer in a truck, you're in a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. As you enter, you're greeted by a custom-designed living room wrapped in dark walnut accents, Italian leather recliners, a floating entertainment wall with a 75-inch 4K smart TV, and LED mood lighting that reacts to your voice. The ceilings are high, the layout is open, and the craftsmanship, absolutely world-class. Now let's talk about the kitchen. It's not a galley, it's a gourmet chef's dream. Full-size refrigerator, granite countertops, deep stainless sink, induction cooktop, smart oven, and even a built-in wine cooler. Whether you're cooking on the go or parked in paradise, this kitchen brings the heat. The master bedroom is straight up stunning. A king-size memory foam bed, smart windows with blackout settings, built-in wireless charging, ambient lighting, and yes, a walk-in closet with sliding wood doors. Every inch screams elegance and comfort. And the bathroom? Heated marble floors, glass rainfall shower, vanity mirror with digital displays, and water-saving tech that feels futuristic. It's cleaner, sleeker, and smarter than most hotel bathrooms. Now here's the kicker. This beast runs on a high-performance Cummins X15 engine and features advanced air ride suspension and solar-powered energy systems. That means luxury meets sustainability. The digital control center gives you full command of lights, temperature, water, and even satellite internet, all from your phone. Whether you're crossing states or parked under the stars, this Kenworth W900 motorhome gives you everything: power, style, and ultimate comfort. It's more than a truck. It's a lifestyle. A dream home built into a machine that never compromises. The road just became your private luxury escape. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Because here at Auto Plus, we're not just reviewing vehicles. We're showcasing the future of living on the move. Stay tuned for more insane builds and high-end conversions you won't believe exist.